Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we're demystifying one of the most common questions we receive about entering the market in the United Arab Emirates. How long will registration take, and what will it cost? Navigating the requirements of the UAE's Ministry of Health and Prevention, or MOHAP, requires a clear understanding of the process, which is segmented based on the device's intended user. The first crucial step for any foreign manufacturer is manufacturer site registration. This process typically takes between 1 to 2 months to complete and involves a significant fee. While this can vary, manufacturers should budget for site registration fees that can be as high as 10,000 Emirati Dirhams. Once the manufacturer is registered, the focus shifts to the device itself. The timeline for device review is risk-based. For low to medium-risk products, which fall into Class 1 and Class 2, the review process takes approximately 4 to 6 weeks. For higher-risk devices, such as those in Class 3, this timeline extends to between 8 and 10 weeks. The official government fee for each device certificate is 5,000 Emirati Dirhams, preceded by a 100 Dirham application fee. These timelines and fees are based on the latest information available as of mid-2024. It is important to note that these figures represent the direct government fees for the standard registration pathway. A separate, more streamlined classification pathway exists for devices intended solely for professional use, which is a faster and less expensive route. However, for most devices, particularly those for home use, the full registration process is mandatory. Beyond the official government fees, manufacturers must also budget for indirect costs. Key among these are the expenses for professional Arabic translation of all necessary documentation, such as user manuals and labeling, as well as the notarization of official certificates like the Certificate of Free Sale. These steps are mandatory and can add significantly to the overall cost and timeline if not managed efficiently. Proper planning for these ancillary costs is essential for a smooth and predictable market entry. The registration certificate, once issued, is typically valid for 5 years, ensuring long-term market access before renewal is required. If you need assistance navigating the complexities of global market access in the UAE or any other market, Pure Global is here to help. For more information, please check out our website. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time.